In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block someone on Discord. This is a quick, reliable way to stop unwanted messages and keep your experience comfortable without making any changes for other people in the server. Blocking is personal to your account. It doesn't kick or ban anyone from a server, and it won't announce anything publicly. Here's how to do it, using the exact places in Discord where you're most likely to see the person. First, locate the user you want to block. You can do that in a server's member list, which appears on the right side of the server window when you're looking at a channel. Scroll through that list to find their name or profile. You can also find them in your friends list, where all your accepted friends are grouped. And finally, you can find them in your message list, the column of direct messages on the left side of the app where your recent conversations are shown. Once you've found the person in any of those three places, the server member list, your friends list, or your message list, right-click on their name or profile. That opens a small menu with options related to that user. In that menu, select Block. If a confirmation appears, confirm it. And there you go. Discord immediately applies the block. After you block someone, a few things change to protect your space. They can't send you direct messages, and their existing DMs with you will stop updating. In shared servers, their messages will be hidden by default, collapsed behind a simple notice so you aren't forced to read them, though you may still see that they posted. They also won't be able to send you friend requests. You won't receive notifications from them, and they won't get an alert that says you blocked them, though they may notice the effects. A couple of quick reminders to set expectations. Blocking is for your personal boundaries. It doesn't remove the person from a server or affect what other members see. If you need server-wide action, that's handled by moderators or admins, not by blocking. And while blocking is immediate, it's also reversible if you change your mind later. To recap in one sentence, find the person in the server member list, your friends list, or your message list, right-click their name or profile, choose block, and you're done. That's all it takes to keep your Discord experience peaceful and focused on the conversations you actually want.